Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get backlinks from 5 sites. How to get Dofollow backlinks from 5 sites. If this is your first time of watching my video, I make videos on backlinks just like the way you're watching right now, blogging tips, and how to make money online. So subscribe to this channel to get notification whenever I make it. So before I go on to the 5 sites we're going to be using backlinks on, there's something I want to show you guys, an illustration. I call it the circle of link building. So this is what the circle of link building is all about. You build backlinks to your site, and when you build backlinks to your site, it can lead to ranking high on Google. That is, your web page or your website to rank high on Google. That is when you build quality backlinks. Then you will get referral traffic depending on the site you got the backlinks from. Then lastly, increase in DA or DR. Increase on DA or DR cannot be controlled. Definitely when you are having backlinks, more links pointing to your site, it will definitely lead to increase of your DA or DR. So most of the times when I'm getting backlinks, I don't put this into consideration. What I look at is the potential or the opportunity to rank high and get traffic. To my site. Whether the site I want to get backlinks from is having low, whether it's having low or high TA, the main thing is, will it make my site rank high or get referral traffic from the site? So when you rank high on Google, you will get free backlinks. You get free backlinks as a result of ranking high. Most of the sites you find on Google first page will get free backlinks as a result of ranking high. So that is why we build links. We build links to rank high, and at the end of it, we get free backlinks to our site. I've experienced this a countless times. Most of my sites ranking on Google first page usually get free backlinks from sites, from quality sites pointing to it. So an example of this is, I was checking my stats today and I discovered that a site, I got a backlink from a high quality site. I didn't pay for it, I didn't request for it. I just checked my stats and this is what I found. Look at it. Tech4. This site, you can see I got 46 referral traffic and also 41 from this site without attrition, without doing anything. I just got it measured. I don't know how it looks, but it is a result of my site ranking on Google first page or ranking on Google's first page. So when I analyze this site, when I analyze it, according to SimilarWeb, it gets 1.1 million views in a month. No wonder I'm seeing this. Just in a day, I'm getting 46 and 41. That is a total of 87 views in a day from this site. So imagine what I will get from this site in a month. I didn't request for this backlinks. I just got it naturally. So if you check from the start of this site, this site has a DA of 38 and DA of 38 and it gets 1.1 million views in a month. If you want to get backlinks from a site like this, it will cost nothing less than $100 to get a backlinks from this site. Although these backlinks I got from this site is a no-follow backlink, as I previously told you, it does not matter whether you have a do-follow or no-follow backlinks. What matters is, will it cause an increase in your traffic or will it make your site rank high on Google? That's what matters most when getting links to your site. So, having said that, let's now go into the 5 site we're going to be getting backlinks from. So the first site we're going to get backlinks from is called Pexels. Pexels. So pexels.com. Pexels.com. These are a free image site. So to get backlinks from this site, all you have to do is to join this site, is to join the platform. You join the platform. So you're going to click on I want to contribute. You're going to join as a contributor, not I want to download. Click on I want to contribute. Then you can join with your Facebook account or this. So I'm going to be signing up to this site or joining this site with my name, email, and password. After that, you click on create your account. Once you've done that, I will see you in the next page. So when you get to this page, this is the page you're going to see after you've signed up on this site. So what you're going to do is to click on this icon and click on settings. So what you're going to do is you can add an image to your profile. Put your last name here. You can ignore this since you are not having any plans of uploading an image on this platform. You just want to get backlinks. Then scroll down, right about your page or about your website or about yourself on this box. Then copy and paste your website URL. On this point, you say website. This is where you're going to get it, the backlinks from. Then optionally, you can add your Twitter, your Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok URL. And after that, after you've done that, click on save profile. Click on save profile. And that is it. And that is how you can get a Dofollow backlinks on this site. You don't need to get the Dofollow backlinks on this site. So after you've done that, copy your URL to get it in there. So you click on your profile. Click on your profile. What you do is to copy the URL of this page. Copy the URL of this page and submit it for index. If you don't know how to get backlinks index, check the description of the video. You'll find a link to the videos I've made on how to get backlinks index. Backlinks are totally useless if they are not indexed. So get it indexed so that you have an effect on your site. So that is it. So we have gotten a Dofollow backlinks from this site. Pexels.com. And this site has a D of 93. So the second site you're going to be getting backlinks from is called Unsplash.com. I've made a YouTube video on this. You can check out my playlist on this Unsplash.com. Unsplash.com has a D of 93. The same way you do for Pexels. You click on sign up. After signing up, you can add about us page, about your site, then add your URL of your site on this platform. So the third site you're going to get in a backlinks from is called Pexabay.com. And this site has a D of 94. The fourth site is called Shutterstock. And the fifth one is called 500ps.com. And this one has a D of 85. So after you build all these pack, make sure you submit it for index. If you need my pack-list building services, you can check the description of these videos to see how to order for my services. Once you've done that, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.